which separating methods we are going to demonstrate today?
Today we are going to demonstrate three types of separating methods.
Huh.
First is sedimentation.
Second is decantation.
Third is filtration.
Yes, so today we will demonstrate the three methods of separation. Number one is your sedimentation. Number two, decantation, and third is your filtration. Okay, let's start with that. For that, what we are taking? In a beaker, we have taken clean water.
Then we
Now, this is your petri dish, right?
Yes,
Petri dish mein what is there? Soil is there. And what you are holding in your hand? Spatula. So with the help of spatula, we are adding soil into the water. So with the help of glass rod, dissolve it. Yes. Now what can you observe?
It is muddy solution.
Right, it is muddy solution. Yes, children, you will leave it for at least 20 minutes. Now after that, what do you observe?
see soil is heavier than water, so it is settling down at the bottom.
Yes, so at the bottom of the beaker you can see the soil particles, they are settling, isn't it? यहाँ देखो, दिख रहा है?
Yes,
और आप टॉप को देखोगे तो यहाँ पे क्या?
Clear water.
हाँ, this is clear, right? So we leave it at least for 2-3 hours, right? So after 2-3 hours you will observe the very clear upper layer of the water. Now what do we call this method of settling down of the heavier particle at the bottom?
Sedimentation.
Sedimentation. So this is your sedimentation. The first step is there, right? So the component which is heavier, that will settle at the bottom, and the lighter will be at the top. Yes, children, after 2 to 3 hours, what do you observe?
The upper layer of water is very clear and soil is settled at the bottom.
Yes. Huh. Yes, children, you can very clearly see that at the bottom, right? At the bottom, the soil is settled down by the process of sedimentation, and the top is your clear.
Decantation.
The top water is your clear water. Now you can separate it without disturbing, right? So slowly you will transfer the top transparent or the translucent layer of water into another beaker, right? So we will pour the top transparent water into another beaker slowly and slowly without disturbing the two components. See. So this way the above clear water we have transferred to the another beaker. So what do we call this method? Yes,
We call this method as decantation.
decantation. So children, you can see, you can clearly differentiate that the mud or the soil is now present in this beaker at the bottom, and this water is the clear water. So in this way we have separated the water from the muddy solution, right? But this water is very much transparent? No. Now how we can get the more clearer water from this?
Ma'am, by filtration.
By filtration. So all of you know how to make the filtration cone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's filter it. This is the filter paper. You have to make the filtration cone as you learned in the previous activity. Now make the filter cone from this. Yes, fold it.
First we fold it in a half, then we again fold it in a half.
Yes.
Our filter cone is ready.
Yes. So one portion you will take here and other three here. If you take half, then what will happen? All will be passed on from this gap, na? So you have to just keep in mind one portion should be one side and other three at one side. This way. Now you have to place it on the cone. This way, right? Now we will perform the third method, that is your filtration. Yes, pour this water slowly and slowly. Yes, यहाँ side से डालना बेटा, ना slowly, filter paper की side से. Yes, pour into it, right? So here you can see the clearer water, transparent water is coming out through the tip of this funnel,
Funnel.
right? So children, we have seen how we have separated the clear water from the muddy water. अब first वाला देखो, ये कैसा water था आपका? Muddy water, right? The mud is mixed with the water. And we perform which method to get this one?
Ma'am,
Decantation से तो आपको clear water मिला, but ये water इतना clear नहीं है. देखो यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा mud है.
Yes, ma'am.
इसको और भी clear मिलने के लिए what we have done to
filtration.
yes, filtration, perform filtration, so you can easily compare this water. See, so which one is more transparent, the water present in the test tube or in this beaker? Which one is more
Test tube.
Test tube. So देखो easily compare करो muddy water से हमें किस तरह से clear water मिला by performing 3 method. Number 1 is your
Sedimentation, decantation, and
filtration.
We enjoyed these separation activities. Thank you.